6 replacement rollers, designed washable suit to perfectly fit PRITECH electronic pedicure foot file. 3 different coarse levels. Extra coarse for effectively remove even toughest hard skin. Regular coarse for soften smooths regular hard skin. Gentle coarse for perfect finishing touch and keep good daily maintenance. Safely and effectively. Those velvet smooth replacement rollers feature curved design and fits your feet perfectly. Safely and effectively remove rough, hard, dry, cracked and calloused skin from the soles of your feet in minutes to get salon standard, smooth feet in the comfort of your home. Easy to install. Easy to install with just one click. Replace the velvet smooth roller when it becomes less effective, suitable for soft, hard, dry and sensitive feet. We offer the top quality rollers to every single of our customer. If you have any questions, please contact us first. We will serve you wholeheartedly. You are protected by our 100% hassle-free satisfaction and 60-day money-back guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. This was my first time using these callus remover. They did a great job and fast too. Machine is easy to use and charged fast. This is a good buy.